Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 27th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up $1.43. That's 0.75%. Closed at 191.84. Post-market, we are pretty much even, Steven. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. I have to say that I like what I see here. If we look at the low of this candle right here, we are making a higher low. We are making a higher high. Even though this is a red candle, I would have preferred if it would have been green. And we are really getting hyper close to this downward resistance right here and this upward support. We are really getting close to these two things, these two trend lines. We are due for a move because we have been standing still basically for 5 days, the past 5 days here, and we are due for a move. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart to see if we cannot understand something more. So this was the first candle of the day right here. We have a nice gap up, a big gap up in the morning, a big gap up, and then we broke our downward resistance right here. We broke it during the first hour, but then we came back into it after the first hour. Then we went sideways for 1 hour, and then we came down. And for those that like when we fill our gaps, the gaps was filled, and we have a long wick at the bottom here. So this was an indication that the buyers were stepping in. Then green, and then we were stopped a little bit. So basically, we are between 191.27 and 192.91 for now. Stochastic has not increased much. We did not get over 60 right away, but hopefully this is going to happen this week. If we come back on the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. So Stochastic is really playing with us at 58.96, very close to 60. This is incredible. MACD's all green. MACD's all green, RSI is green, and DMI is also green. My patience is running thin, but what can I do? Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX, great news for VIX. We are down 1.09 at 2064. So we are coming down, and look at this here. Look at our downtrend in the stochastic. So this is coming down, and this is having the effect here. So maybe tomorrow Tesla is going to jump. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, a green candle today. Stochastic is climbing a little bit, so maybe within a couple of days we can start thinking about breaking 32,550. S&P 500, the nice day, pretty high. Look at the low right here. The low is pretty high compared to last Friday's low. We were stopped by this resistance. This is a perfect touch right here. We want to get out. We want to get out. We have stochastic over 60. If we are out, that's a buy right here above 39.93. NASDAQ having a hard time breaking 11,834, getting close to it. Broke it during the day, came back in. Maybe tomorrow is going to happen. We have a good stochastic right there. Now let's take a look at gold a little bit. So gold, we are having a hard time breaking 1566. We tried twice and we failed, and we opened a little bit lower today, but we have a longer wick at the bottom, so we have some buying pressure here. We still have a good stochastic, so it's not too bad. If it goes below 1507, then I would begin to worry a little bit. Silver almost touched our resistance right here. We opened a little bit lower, tried to go down, but then we were pushed back up. We still have some buying pressure right here, so nice to see. And let's take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ is still in its condition zone. The stochastic is very good. If we go lower than 25,247, then I would tend to get out of it. But so far it's holding well, and stochastic is pretty good. So the name is Let's Be Patient. Let's be patient. And I think it's Warren Buffett that said that the stock market is transferring money from impatient people towards patient people. So let's be the patient people. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.